No way in hell I get away with that you too at the beginning, huh? Yeah, that was blatant. Uh, but I don't care. I don't care anymore. I'm a beaten man. My world is shattered. What's the worst they can do to me? So Sunday Bloody Sunday, well, Wednesday Bloody Sunday, Wednesday Bloody Wednesday, really. The news came down last night, and I knew it was coming. Everybody knew it was coming. Ramen refuses to get off his lazy, stupid, wrinkly ass. Go on MC Toon show like he said he would. I mean, we knew you were a pussy, Ramen, but I don't know. I had high hopes that your ignorance and ego would get the best of you, and you would actually go on that show where we could all laugh at you because you said, yeah, "My appearance is imminent. I'll annihilate you, Toon." So, yeah, I mean, tonight, or Wednesday night, anywho, the Toon and Fight had to cut down the nominees to just the people that'll get voted on. I think it's a list of about 10 people. But the people that didn't make it, along with the idiot that is Ramen, Nathan Thompson, Arwen, Ranty, CC Chris from New York, Westchester County, Eric Dubay didn't make it. And then, of course, my favorite little douchebag, idiot, moron, Ramen. Here it is. What happened? Go. Go ahead, guys.
Zetetic Warrior and Nachikita, who are both dumb as fuck.
That's all you need to say.
Yeah. And he's not worthy of a nomination, even though he thinks he's the bee's knees. Eric Dubay. Sorry, Eric Dubay.
Nobody even nominated him.
No.
He's such a piece of trash.
He doesn't even get a nomination. Now, so there was a lot of people nominated.
Ramen Ortiz got nominated by Ramen Orweez.
Oh, yes.
Oh, thanks. I like how Toon called him Ramen, which is appropriate. My little bright spot in my evening, but yeah. Ramen, this is all on you. We did everything we could for you. You're just too big a pussy to prove that you are the biggest, dumbest fuck on the globe. So, hope you're happy with yourself. Now, let's leave this on a high note and just go take a small little glimpse into the latest short from Ramen. It is the quality is absolutely the worst ever. It's inaudible. Let's go. Yeah, so, yeah. With headphones on, I can barely hear this stupid shit. And it's a typical Ramen filming his laptop in portrait mode with his shitty cell phone. I thought maybe the problem was he got this video from that moron, that fucking fat loser, flat Earth banjo. Nothing flat about that cunt, that liar, that sack of shit. I'm shocked Ramen's watching him on a daily basis. But no, the problem's all on Ramen as usual. A couple more seconds of this. Yeah, the whole thing's stupid. Why am I wasting my time with this asshole? Yeah, Jism has got the stones to go down there, report what he saw, and say there's no way it can be flat. They destroyed. Oh, there goes my house alarm again. No way, can't be flat. So all these motherfuckers turn on this guy. Laughable, predictable. Just funny. So, in honor of Ramen making a complete ass out of himself and getting rejected, doesn't belong. He got sent. He basically got sent to the little kids table at Thanksgiving. You know what I'm talking about? That little card table they used to set up where the little kids ate and the adults ate at the big table. Yeah. In honor of that, I saved the fart till the end. Good night now.